Let's face it, engineering is full of boring, repetitive work. So if you are looking for a way to automate your workflow and create tools everyone can use, stay tuned, because in this video I will show you how you can make apps like this, and this with nothing but Python and Victor. And the best of all is that you can do this for free. This is a typical Victor app. On the left side you have input, and on the right side you have a result. In this case we have a building and we can change the width and the number of floors. I made this app using Python. Let's go into the code. So let's say I want to change the length of the building. I will copy and paste this line of code and change this parameter here. If I update the app, you will see that the input fields appear automatically, and now I can change the width and the length of the building. Let's add some additional fields. I will update my app, and you can see that now we have fields for options, adding files, and to choose a date. Let's do something more exciting. I do know all code by heart, so I'll go to the docs. Here you can see under input fields, list of all input fields that are available to you. And under layout and styling, you will see different options like tabs, sections, pages, and steps. But let's add a visualization. You can add plots, 3D models, maps, tables and data, images, reports, HTML page, and much more. So let's take a map, for example. Here I have a sample code. We'll just copy and paste this code in my app. And now we'll reload this app. And there it is. There is a new tab with a map. And so easy is it. With a few lines of Python, we have made a beautiful app. In case you're wondering, you don't need to do everything in Python. You can also connect your app with different software packages, and in that way automate a bigger portion of your workflow. We don't have time to discuss this in more details, but we created another video where we explain this. Publishing apps is super easy. Just follow a few simple steps and your app will be online and ready to share. Now that you know how easy it is to create and share web apps, go to the website, get your free account, and you will be up and running in a few minutes. And remember to automate the boring and engineer the awesome.